Hi folks, I'm Raz, and in today's video I'm going to share with you an IELTS essay writing for both academic and general. And let me share that the answers I'm discussing in all my videos have been published in the book and is readily available at the bookstores, so grab your copy today. Alright, so let's take a look at the essay writing task 2, which is for 40 minutes, and the student has to write for 250 to 280 words. Now, there are 5 different essay types, and the student should be able to identify the moment you read the question that what essay type your question belongs to. So we have problem solution, opinion, agree, disagree, advantage, disadvantage, and 2-part question type. And friends, in this video, I'm going to be discussing a problem solution. Alright, let's take a look at the task assessment, which is 25% each. So task achievement is 25%, in which you need to answer everything that is asked to you in the question. Another 25% is coherence and cohesion, in which you need to use structured paragraphs and use standard expressions. The next 25% is your lexical resource, in which you need to use the wide range of vocabulary. And the last is grammar, range, and accuracy, which is another 25%, wherein you use different kinds of sentences, varying from simple, compound, and complex. Alright, let's take a look at the general topics that are covered in the essays. It can range from education, youth, parenting, environment, sports and economy, and health. Now, how to utilize your 40 minutes effectively. So friends, remember the word power, in which P is for pre-analysis, wherein you need to spend 3 to 5 minutes in doing the brainstorming and making notes. And the next is organization, in which you need to prioritize the points and find out which is the most important point. Then finally, you should start writing and spend 30 minutes. And after you finish with the writing, another E for editing is that you need to spend 3 to 5 minutes in checking your spellings and grammar and make sure you use adequate amount of synonyms and do the final review. Alright, so problem solution essay type format. All in all, you should be making 4 different paragraphs. The first is an introduction. The second is when you discuss the problems, list down your points and make sure that you support your points with relevant examples. Paragraph 3 is when you suggest possible solutions. Again, list down the different solutions and support with relevant examples and give the final conclusion. Alright, so let's take a look at the question for this video, which is obesity is a serious problem in many countries, especially in rich countries. Discuss ways to solve the problem, provide specific reasons and examples to support your answer. Alright, so the paragraph 1 is an introduction. With the advent of urbanization and the rise in popularity of fast food, there have been accompanying issues with rising obesity rates, especially in developed countries like England and the USA. After providing a careful analysis of why obesity has risen so sharply in these countries, this essay shall suggest a number of ways in which the obesity epidemic can be ameliorated. Paragraph 2. To embark with, it should be unsurprising that fast food is incredibly popular in wealthy countries. Due to the high levels of development in these countries, consumers possess more wealth and can, therefore, consume vast amounts of fast food without seriously diminishing their income. For instance, the American Dietary Association found that the average American household has a 6 times larger budget for food per month Consequently, it is to be expected that obesity rates are much higher in countries with larger amounts of wealth. Paragraph 3. However, despite the severity of the obesity issue, there are numerous ways in which developed countries could battle it more effectively. Firstly, developed governments could put far more pressure on fast food outlets to provide healthy alternatives to hamburgers, French fries, and soft drinks. Secondly, public exercise initiatives could be advertised and promoted far more vigorously. Lastly, modules that inform teenagers about healthy dietary requirements could be taught at schools. Paragraph 4 is the conclusion. In crux, although obesity is a solemn hazard in the developed world, if the above steps are carefully implemented, the adverse situation will surely improvise in the forthcoming years. So thank you friends for watching this video, and keep watching more IELTS essay writing videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.